Have you opened your MySQL?
Yes, sir.
So what you need to do, you have to go to this 3.1. There are two steps. First, you need to create the database. Then you need to use that database. Okay. Create the database and then you have to switch to that. So I have written copy paste here. You should also copy paste here. Once you are done, let me know.
Where is the run option?
Have you copy pasted?
Yes, sir.
You have to select the statements like this. Then you click on this thundering button, this yellow button where I am pointing. Okay. This button where I am pointing, you have to click that part. After selecting the queries, like I have selected the query, then you have to click on this part. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So once you click it, like I am clicking it, so I got this message at the bottom that database is created, and okay, I got this message. What you need to do, you have to select this query and click on this part. Okay, this is the execute button, and you will get a output like this. Do you get this output? Have you got this output?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just for the confirmation, I am sending the message whether you get the output or not. Okay, confirm in the WhatsApp whether you get the output or not. Only 8 people get the output. What about the rest of the you? What about the rest others? Only 8 get the output. There are 29 people and only few of you get the output. Why so? Okay, do it quickly because you just have to copy paste two statements and run it. There are 29 people and only 12 is getting the output. Only 14 get the output. What about the rest? Total students are 46 in the batch. Okay, Neha, you get the output.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we will proceed. If anyone wants me uh, to stop for few minutes, let me know. Then I will wait for your output confirmation. Otherwise, I will proceed. If you want me to wait, I will wait. Otherwise, I will proceed further. Okay, kindly confirm if you want me to hold for some time. Otherwise, I will proceed further. If you want me to wait, I will wait for a few minutes. Okay, you can reply me in the WhatsApp or here only if you want me to stop for some time so that I will wait for you. Okay. So what is our next step? What is our next step? It is shown in the screen. What is the next step? As shown in the screen, what is our next step? What is our next step?
To create the table,
Hmm.
create the table.
Yes. But it is optional. Why it is optional? Why it is optional?
So because it can create tables automatically also.
Yes, yes. Because we
Yes,
can,
by using the hashtag.
yes, we can hashtag, we can create the table. So there is no need to do this, okay? We, in the morning, we have seen that we can connect from one table, like shopping cart is connected to this table, users, through this foreign key. Through this foreign key. Okay? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
How we have to mention some mapping. Okay, we mentioned some mapping also. And this is the foreign key concept. And this is the auto increment and primary key. Is this clear? We will mention with the annotations, right? In the annotations, we mention that this is our ID and this is our generated value. Is this clear? Right?
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, we need to, if you manually, we can do this in this way. This is where the way to mention the table, to auto increment, to mention the primary key, to mention the foreign key, to mention the references. Okay, this is the manual way to do this. And we have seen in morning that we can do through annotations also. So we will not do this step. Now this is application.properties. What is the role of application.properties? What is the role here? What we are doing here? What is the role of application.properties?
So it is there for setting the files.
To set the application to whom we want to connect. We want to connect to MySQL. We want to use JPA and Hibernate. So these are the properties of JPA and Hibernate. Okay, because Hibernate will contact with MySQL dialect. Okay, Hibernate will contact with MySQL dialect. Okay, so suppose I write delete. So Hibernate will contact with MySQL to know what is the command of delete. Okay, and replace this delete with the delete command that we have seen in the morning. Okay, whatever the delete command is in MySQL. Is this clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So these are the properties of Hibernate and JPA. This is the property of MySQL. Here you mention your password. Is this clear? I told you in the morning na, that password, you should remember your password. Is this clear? Because it is saying that your MySQL is available in this local host, running on this local host. And this we have created, payment DB. If you remember, we have created this payment DB. Yes? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
In MySQL, it means it will contact
Yes,
with
sir.
it will contact with this database. But before contacting with this database, you have to give your credentials. If the credentials are valid, then only it will be connected. Okay. And this is the driver which we are going to use. Is that clear to everyone? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So what we need to do, we need to copy paste this thing in application.properties. So you will copy this, go to your application.properties. This is the application.properties. And here just paste it. Is this clear? You have to just paste here. Have you pasted?
Yes, sir.
And here you will mention your password, okay? You delete this part and mention your password, right? Okay. Have you mentioned your password here?
Wait, sir.
Okay. Let me know if once you're done.
Yes, sir.
So like here, my password is root here. So I will put root here. Okay. And I will save it. Control S. Okay. So should we move further if you are done? Or should I wait?
Sir, done.
Okay. What about others? If you want me to wait, I will wait. Otherwise, we will move forward.
Done.
Okay. If anyone wants me to wait, just tell me, I will wait for you, okay? Now we have to uh, update our project structure. Okay? Is that clear? This we need to update the project structure. The first thing that we need to update is you need to create this user.java. Where you need to create this user.java? In which part you need to create user.java? In which package we need user.java?
Model.
Model, right? So we go to model and here new Java class. Class name is user. Is that clear? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Now we just need to copy paste the code. The code is given here at 6.1. It's copied. Once you are done, let me know, okay? There are two errors here. Okay, it is not coming full. Get email, okay. Till this it comes. Have you done this?
So wait. So there is
Okay.
an error.
What is the error? Maybe you copy some part, you didn't copy paste right. Okay. Try to copy paste the
So
whole
I
thing.
think file name.
File name.
Yes, sir.
File name. Just show me the error.
It's resolved. The file name was different.
Okay, resolved now. It is resolved. Hello.
Yes, the result.
So what will happen here? It will create a table for us. Okay. Is this clear? It will create a table for us, and the table will have fields, ID, username, and email. Okay. And these are the columns names we are giving. Okay. At the rate column, we are giving the column name, and we are using mentioning the getters and setters. Is this clear to you? Is it clear?
So, uh,
Should I repeat this? The code is clear, or should I repeat that?
uh, so there's a doubt. If we have to define the primary key, then always we have to use @ID.
Yes, yes, always. Yes, you have to always use at the rate ID.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Like this is your primary key. here you mention that this is the ID and it will generate the primary key automatically. Okay, is this clear? If you mention this, it will be generated automatically. Okay. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So we will test it whether it is created or not. We will try to run the main program. This is our main program, no? Payment application. You will run the main program. This is your main program, payment application. You try to run this and we will see whether the table is created in MySQL or not. Okay. So here it is still running. Okay. So have you run your main program? Have you run your main program?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if you have run this main program, what is the name of our table here? What is the name of our table? Users. Is this clear?
Users.
Yes. So we will go to MySQL and we will check here whether the table is there or not. So we will say describe users. Because that is the name users. So I will select this and after selecting I will click on this execute. So if you see these columns are created automatically. Okay, through our IntelliJ this is created. Okay, you check your part, you check from your end.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay, so if you see here this is your primary key. ID is the primary key here and it is auto increment. Okay, these properties, and it is integer varchar. Okay, and null is allowed, null is not allowed. Okay, for primary key null, you cannot give a null value to the primary key. Okay, is this clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So we will check from this side also. I think this is the by default property, and column name is usernames, user underscore name and email. So you will see it is user underscore name and email. Okay, and here they both are string. So they are string and this is long. So it is converting into integer. This is converted into varchar. Okay. Is this clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So just for the confirmation, I'm sending this in the WhatsApp group whether you have done this part or not. Just confirm me if you have done this. Only 6 replies till now. I need 22 replies. 22 replies I require. So what concept we covered till now? What is the name of this concept? We call it ORM. Okay. Object relation mapping. Okay. Object relationship mapping. This is the concept that we have done. Okay.
Yes, sir.
13 students have replied. I need 22 replies, then we will move forward. Okay, 17 has done. Should we move forward? If anyone wants me to wait, then let me know. Otherwise, we are moving forward. Should we move forward or should we wait? So what is the next step? 6.2. What is the next step? What we are doing in 6.2?
So we will modify shopping cart.
So what we are doing, how we are modifying.
We will replace the old prototype scope.
We are making it persistence. We persist to MySQL. Persistence means converting the table class to table. Okay, is this clear? Converting
Yes, sir.
something into table, so we call it persist. So if you see, yesterday we created the shopping cart, so now we are converting into a table. We are giving the column names. Okay, we are generating the ID. Is this clear? Is this clear? And for persistence, there is a
Yes, sir.
library. For persistence, it means converting the object into table. You have to import this library, jakarta.persistence. Okay, you need to import this library for persistence. Is this clear?
What is the Jakarta?
These are some predefined libraries, na? So they have some functions relating to persistence. So the name of the library is Jakarta. In Jakarta, there is persistence. Okay, Jakarta is the package. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so the annotations that we are using, na, @entity, ID, so they are coming from this library. One to many, many to one. Okay,
Okay, sir. So means we are using this JPA concept by importing this library of Jakarta.
yes, yes,
Sorry, package.
yes. So the
Okay, sir.
annotations like entity, they are a part of this library.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so you can mention here that I only want entity instead of star. If you want only entity, you can mention entity here. But by star, we are saying we require all the annotations which are helpful in persistence. Okay, star means we require every annotation who is helpful in creating the tables. Is this clear? And
Yes, sir.
okay. So what do we need to
We have
do?
done in Java.
Okay, you're done in Java. So we have to just copy paste it we copy paste our new code and replace with the older one. Is this clear? Copy paste this code and replace with the older one. So this was the shopping cart. Shopping cart.java. The error is because this cart item is not created yet. Na? Once we create this cart item, this error will gone. Okay.
Okay, so same error.
Yes. When we create this cart item, it will be gone. So we have to see where we need to create. Cart item we need to create in the model. In the model, we have to create the
In the
model.
new package repository.
New Java class cart item. Is this clear? Now, if you see the error is gone, na?
Yes, sir.
Now what we need to do, we have to copy paste the cart item code. Okay, if you are done, let me know. Shopping cart. Earlier, what happened in the previous code, the cart and item both are in the same class. Now we have separated them. And what we have done here, we have created a relationship. This is one to many relationship. Okay. And this relationship is in the cart. Cart and items has a one to many relationship with each other because one cart has many items. So have you done this?
Yes, sir.
Neha, have you done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what I was telling you earlier, we have carts and items both together in the shopping cart. Now we have separate code for shopping cart and separate code for card item. Okay, is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Now these things are very important. Like if you see here, I have highlighted some parts. Uh, Now there is some relationship between cart and items. What kind of relationship it is? One to many. Is this clear? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
And because a cart has many items, so cart is the parent, items are the child. Is this clear? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, there are some important concepts here. One of the important concept is cascade. What you mean by cascade here? Cascade here means if a folder is deleted, okay, suppose a folder is there and the folder contains many files. Okay, suppose here the name of the folder is cart. Okay, and it contains many files. So what are those files? Those files are items. Okay, item 1, item 2, item 3. So cascade means if one is deleted, if the parent is deleted, then child should automatically delete. Is this clear? This is the meaning of cart. Is this clear? If the parent is deleted, then the child should automatically delete. Is this clear? What is cart? What is this cascade means?
Yes, sir.
So it means
Yes, sir.
that if you don't write cascade, what will happen? Suppose I delete the cart. Okay, suppose I delete this cart, the item will still remain in our system. Is this clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
The items will still remain in our system. So it will create a problem for us. So what I am saying, if I am deleting the parent, the child should be automatically deleted. Is this clear? What is cascade? Is
Yes,
clear?
sir. Yes, sir.
Now the another thing is fetch, eager. So there are two important concepts, eager and lazy, that we will see in detail. But here eager means doing the database operations very quickly. Okay. There is another option, lazy. Okay. I will discuss a better example later. But till now, eager means everything will be fetched quickly. Lazy means everything will not be fetched so quickly. Because in some cases we require lazy and in some cases we require eager. Is this clear?
So repeat.
Okay. So I will give you a better example later. Like eager means that if I require something from the database, okay, so it will not wait for me, it will just give me the required things. Okay. Like suppose you go to some restaurant and they give you all the data at once, okay, and you then pick up your required data. That is eager. Lazy means you go to a restaurant and then you order something and then they will provide you the data. Okay, they don't give you all the things quickly. Okay, based on your requirement, they keep on giving you the things. 。  . 。 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . . . . 。 . . . . . . 。 . . 。 . . 。 . . 。 . . 。 . . 。 . 。 . 。 .
Okay, sir.
Okay, so eager means your memory will be full because all the data will be given at once. And lazy means it will save some, lazy is used to save the memory. Okay,
Okay,
it is.
sir.
So cascade is clear to you? Cascade is clear?
Yes, sir.
So why we are using eager here? Because if you click on the cart, all the items will be shown you quickly. Okay, all the items will be shown you quickly. That's why we are using eager. Is this clear? Is this clear? When you click on the cart, all the items will be shown to you quickly. Okay, but if you apply the lazy, so first it will show you the cart, then slowly it will show you the items in the cart. Okay, so we don't want in this way. Okay, is this clear? Is it clear why you apply eager here?
Read.
Hello,
So,
hello, hello.
yes,
Is this clear or should I repeat this?
repeat.
Okay, we are applying eager here because when someone click on its card, suppose I am clicking on my card, so all the items I want to see all the items, okay, at once. Is this clear? I want to see all my items at
Yes,
once.
sir.
So where you will apply lazy, suppose if you go to a website, there are some reviews. So all the reviews not come suddenly. Okay. It will come slowly by slowly. Okay. Like first 10 people review, then next 10 people review, then next 10 people review. Okay. That is lazy. Is this clear? Because you don't, if there are 1,000 people uh, for the review, you don't need to see 1,000 comments at once. Slowly and slowly you want to see the contents na, for the review. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So for the review we will apply lazy, and for the cart we will apply eager. And why you are using cascade here, that I already told you. And here all means if you are deleting, inserting, deleting, finding, whatever you are doing, so this covers, all will cover everything. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what we have done till now, this is we have created shopping cart. We have done the code of shopping cart, items, dot stream dot map to double by price at quantity. Okay. And these are your items. Item name, price, quantity. It has many to one. Many items will have one card. Is this clear? Why many to one? For the items, because many items will have one card. Okay, and this is the foreign key, cart ID. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
And okay, string. So this code is also important. This code is also important. What we are doing in this code?
ਭਰਾਵਾ ਮੈਂ ਆਪ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਯਾਰ ਮੇਰੇ ਕੋ ਕਿਉਂ ਆ ਗਈ
What we are doing in this code?
ਯਾਰ ਉਹਦਾ ਆਪਾਂ ਪੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੱਗ
You know what is happening in this code, or should I tell you?
No, sir, but I think we are multiplying the price by the quantity.
So what is happening here? There is a stream. What you mean by stream? Stream means a pipe. Okay. Stream is a pipe. Like this is a stream. So there are item 1, okay, I1, item 2, item 3. So suppose there are 3 items. So from this stream, which item will I will pick up first? Okay.
What, sir?
Like from this stream is clear to you? Stream is like a pipe. We have many items. All items are in the pipe. Is this clear? We apply stream on the items. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So one by one it will pick up the item. Which is the first item that I will pick? I1. Is this clear? This is our first item. Okay. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
This item is represented by I. Is this clear? I is the item. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And we are getting the price of the item and quantity of the item. Suppose I order item 1 and its price is 50 and I require 3 quantities. Is this clear? So what will be the total? Total will be 150. Is this clear?
150.
Then what happens?
Yes, sir.
After this, I2 will be picked. So my I becomes I2. Is this clear? Next I2 will be picked. Suppose its price is 20 and I require 1 item of this. So total price will be, its price is 20. Similarly, I3, its price is 30 and I require 2 items of I3. So it will be 60. Okay. So what is happening here? First 150 will come. So this will become 150. Okay. Then what this sum is doing? It is 150 plus the next item 20, then the next item 60. So this comes out to be 230. Okay. We are doing the summation. Is this clear? Is this clear?
Map to double means?
Map to double means like this item can be 150.25. Okay, so it will be 230.25, right? Right?
Yes,
Is it
sir.
so 230, this 230.25 is data type is double. Okay, is this clear? We are converting our items. We are converting our items to double. Is this clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay. We pick up these items and we are converting into by sum, it will be converted into double. Okay. So it means it is a double stream. Double stream. Is this clear to everyone? What is happening here?
Yes, sir.
So this we can write separately. This can be write separately. This we can write separately. But the shorter way is this one, which we use more often. In our latest Java, we use this kind of code. Okay, where output of this will be given. This will give some output to this. This will give some output to this. Okay, is it clear? This will give
Yes,
some
sir.
output to this, and this will give some output to this. The code is clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if you want to study more on this, so I will write here only. So this concept, we call it, if you want to note down, Java Streams API plus Lambda expression. Okay. If you want to read, you can read more on this. Your task is to know about this concept, Java Stream API plus Lambda expression. Is this clear?
So, but where we have used this lambda expression?
This is Lambda. Na? This we call Lambda. This is Lambda, where there is an arrow. Arrow function. Okay. This arrow function is your Lambda. Is this clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Because it will pick some items from the stream. Stream is your API. Okay. It will pick some item from the stream and it will apply this operation. Okay. Whatever the items it is picking, it is applying this operation. Is this clear to you?
Yes, sir.
And at the end, we are getting some double value. So it is map to double. Okay, why it is clear why it is map to double? Because when you multiply this thing, you may get some double value. So suppose price is 20.550 and item is 1. So what answer you will get? You will get a double value. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So map to double means this item is converted into a double value, and at the end you will get the sum of the items. Okay, is this clear? You will get sum of the items which will be in the double. Okay, which will be in the output should be in the double format. So is this clear why we call it double? Because this item will give you this result can be in double form. Is this clear for this item?
Yes, sir.
So I explain you the codes. This code I have explained you. Then we discussed this part also, which was important: cascade, fetch. Okay. And relationships we have, these things we study in the morning: generated value, table ID, all these things, one to many. Then cart item. Okay. This we have seen. Okay. Now here the relationship is different. It is many to one. Okay. Join column is this one. This we have seen in the morning. So till now everything is okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then if you then we will move forward. This is done. Then is the repository. This is the main thing. So for repository, you have to, I think you have to create a special package here for repository. Okay, yes. You have to create a special package for repository. Okay.
Okay, sir.
What is the use of repository? What is repository? Repository is the layer. It is a layer, Java layer. This is a Java layer which helps to connect with the database. Is this clear? Is it clear? We have MySQL database.
Yes, sir.
If you want to communicate with this database, then we require repository. Okay? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So, what you need to do, you need to create a repository, and in the repository, you need to create these 3 files. Repository is a package which contains cart repository, cart item repository, user repository. Okay? So we will go here, right click, then new package, repository. in the repository we require cart repository. Then cart item repository is also required. Then require user repository. Spelling is wrong. We will refactor. Okay, create these three files. Okay, create these three files under this package. Is this clear? What you need to do?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So have you created these three?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So why we require these three repositories? What is the need of creating three repositories? Because we created three models, na? Cart item, shopping cart, and user. Is this clear? Is this clear? We created three classes. Cart
Yes,
item.
sir.
If you want any information related to cart item, okay, then you will use this repository. Okay. If you need any data related to cart, not cart item, if you need data for cart, then you will use this repository. If you need the data from user information, then we will use this repository. Is it clear to you? Is that clear? Why we require 3 repositories?
Yes, sir.
Because we have 3 tables, na? Because this is cart item is one table, shopping cart is another table, user is another table. So this will give you, if you want to get the information uh, from this table, this is a table. Okay. Then you will use cart item for this is a separate table. This is a table for items, and this is the table for cart, and this is the table for user. Is this clear? So you require 3 repositories. Is this clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Now you can check what is in the repository. So if you see here, it is extending. What it is extending? What cart repository is extending? If you see now, this is an interface. What is it extending?
JPA repository.
It means we are giving 2 informations. This cart repository will contact with the shopping cart. Okay. We created shopping cart class, na? Is this clear? Is this clear? This will
Yes,
contact
sir.
with the shopping cart. And what is long here? Long is the ID of the
Data type.
data type of the primary key. Okay. The primary key data type. Okay. So that is long. Is this clear? What is long?
Okay, sir.
The data
Yes,
type
sir.
of the primary key. So it means this repository will contact with this class. Okay. Now this is no longer a class, this is a table. Okay. This repository will contact with this table whose primary key is long. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
And what it is doing here? This is what you mean by find by. What is find by? Find by is a function here, na? Yes or no? This is a function. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This function will be converted into this query. Select star from shopping cart where username is equal to this. Is this clear? It means
Yes, sir.
if you give this function, your Hibernate will convert this function into this query. Okay? Is this clear? Is that clear?
Sir, repeat.
When we are giving this query, find by username, so this function is converted into this query. Just a minute. This function will be converted into this query, and who will do this? Hibernate. I told you na in the morning, when you create a function, it is converted into a query.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this is happening here. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So here, what is this question mark means? What do you mean by question mark? you have done in your JDBC. In your JDBC, you have done this. If you don't remember, then I will tell you.
Sir, it will hold the actual value
It means we are
that
not
we will pass.
we are not fixing anything. If you give the username here, suppose I give my username, so it will always execute for me only. Okay, but we don't want to fix the user. So it means whatever the user I provide, suppose I provide Neha here. So next time, next user is me. Okay, so first it will work for Neha, then it will work for me. Okay, we make it dynamic. We are not fixing. Question mark means dynamic. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So what is left? Okay. I think we will cover in the next session. Is this clear? Repository part we will cover in the next session. It will take only 1 hour more, then it will be done. Okay.
Okay, sir.
In the morning 1 hour we will complete this. Because in between I have to tell you the codes also. If something is important, the code I have to mention that also.
So, do we have classes on Saturday and Sunday?
No. Monday to Friday.
Okay, sir.
ਕੇਲੇ ਉਧਰ ਲੈ ਜਾ ਲੈ ਜਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੋਈ ਪਸੰਦ ਹੈਗਾ ਬਾਲ ਮੇਰੇ ਕਮਰੇ ਚ ਆਈ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ